closer.
You feel you feel nauseous.
I do.
Yeah. Maybe you are.
I'm
Don't
not
you think-
I'm not pregnant.
How do you know?
I'm on contraceptives.
Contraceptive.
Yeah.
They prevent it.
Pregnancy. Hey guys. How are you? Listen, my scat, I got around asking couples questions, ne? Would you guys mind? I'm just gonna do a little couples quiz. 2 minutes. Okay, come closer. I wanna be very quick. Can I stand in between you guys? Sir on my left.
Okay.
Girl on my right. Okay, name?
My name is Kiketso Su.
Keketso.
Yes.
Okay, and?
Tsepiso Apani.
Sepito, how long have you been with Keketso?
3 months.
3 months. So it's honeymoon phase.
Yeah. We're still new.
Okay. Keketso, would you say it's official? Have you asked her to be your girlfriend yet?
Why?
So we're talking stage.
Stage.
So it's not official.
It's official.
Okay, have you asked her to be your girlfriend officially?
Yeah, ngimubudit.
I don't believe him. Did he ask you?
Yes.
How did he ask you?
Like we went to a restaurant as friends. Then he asked me to be his girlfriend because we were bonding for much time.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's cute. And then Keketso, do you trust her?
I trust you with my whole heart.
Ah. You're not going to leave space for disappointment.
Next.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust her?
10.
10. Ah. And then how much do you trust him on a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah. 8.
8, ne?
2 for disappointment.
Yes, of course. No, dude, she can't. And you're a gent. I mean,
No, it's
you understand men, ne?
No, it's
Not
fine.
that all of you are trash, but you know. Okay, what is it that you like about him?
Unothando
Mm-hmm.
and like uyangilalela.
Yeah.
Something naye nje ngijabulile because like unaso isikhathi for me.
Okay, okay. And what do you like about her?
Into eratang wanhlompa. Wanhlompa. She's very kind. Like one says, man, this is a place. I need
Okay.
to be.
Okay, I hear you. Let me tell you guys what we do on this show, ne? We basically make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch your cell phones and then you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. We're testing your loyalty.
It's fine, no problem, my sister.
Girl, what's the problem? Your man doesn't have an issue.
But why? Because
We're testing your loyalty to each other. We're checking if you're cheating or not.
but phone are private.
That I understand that. So is your private part, but you share it with your man, don't you? Girl,
Baby is a pet.
pretty girl.
No.
Awufuni. Talk to your woman. Mm-mm.
Baby, yenza njalo baby. Sikwazi utestana. Ngisho ngithanda nami ngiyakuthanda.
Yeah, ngiyakuthanda mara ifoni.
Talk to your man. He's asking you for your phone. Do you want to see her phone?
I want to see a phone, yeah.
Mara ungayibona ifoni yami sisendlini and futhi bongayicabanga leyo nto.
Ngifuna ukuyibona manje.
What if you delete izinto along the way?
Why ufuna ukuyibona ngoba sekukhona bona? Ngoba mina nawe besihamba kahle la. Manje sofuna ukubona ifoni.
Singaxabaniswa labantu laba. Ukhipha ifoni nje, kumele sihambe, kumele singathi sisamwe baby.
Asahambe. Why?
Kuphi phone.
Baby.
Kuphi phone.
Yeah.
Are you hiding something on your phone?
I'm not hiding something, but like my phone is private.
That's it. Your phone is private.
Yes.
Hey, what do you have to say, sir? Me, I can't force your girl.
Kumele sihambe mfethu, kumele siye lapha, kumele sifike ngesikhathi senza fast sikwazi ukuhamba. Labantu bayacheka nje ukuthi siyathandana impeke. Uyangithanda ngisho.
Mina nawe siyazi ukuthi siyathandana. Why banifanele ba-check ukuthi siyathandana?
Let's prove the point. Asibabonise ukuthi siyathandana mina nawe.
Okay.
John, get us up your phone. Thank you, girl. We'll start with yours, my scat, ne? I just need your passcode, password, and that's it. Are you sure we're not going to find anything on your phone?
No.
Other men?
No.
Okay. Please go on his WhatsApp, ne?
Yes.
All right. Search and then type love you. Okay, what do you see?
I'm the only one. And his
Okay,
brother.
nice. Okay, delete that. Does it type in English? What does it type in? Usually.
We usually speak with our own language.
Okay, you Ramini, help me. So what would it be, Rata? Ramini, what? Don't stand so far. Please type Rata. Type Rata, Lavi. What are you seeing?
I'm the only one.
Okay, delete that. And then Dlamini? Just type Khuputsi. Oh, that's you. Okay, delete that. Outside? What's outside?
Yari itla hai.
Itlai. Yeah?
Itla hai.
Okay, type that, whatever he just said.
Mara manje sekuvela abanye abantu manje lana.
Who are you fetching? Keket.
Hayi, into zesibani lezi.
Into zesipani.
Yeah.
Okay. Go into the, yeah, scroll.
Abathi ibe isibani ka photoshooting.
Sekuvela ama-nude. I-photoshoot empeteni.
Hey, photoshoot, that's my work.
Empeteni.
That's my work.
Empeteni. Shuthi mina ngingavetane ngibiza umuntu soshuta empeteni.
Baby, I carry baby silo. Baby, understand that idea. Kishuta abantu kishona chelete.
Okay.
Ukuthi sangone kuyona yedi kishuta abantu futhi.
Ya gore o shuta le batho ba bangwe. Kompetong. So wena mawuphuma uthi uyosebenza empeteni ukushuta.
Baby, that's a survival.
But
Mina awungitshelanga ukuthi sisebenza kanjalo. Mina ngazi ukuthi wena unekhampani.
no,
Manje-
can Lavi, photographers do take nude photo shoots, okay? I've also taken a nude photo shoot. It's a thing that happens. Let's check if there's babe there. Let's check the conversation. We can't judge him off of...
There is a conversation and they're in the bed.
No, but... But okay, we understand you work like this, cool, but there's flirting here.
And into ewes ukuthi mina angazi ukuthi wenza i-photoshoot yesempeteni. Mina angazi ukuthi yena unekhampani. Manje
What does he-
umsebenzi wani?
So what does he do for a living?
He says he sells phones.
Oh,
He sells phones.
sibone izinto apha Keket.
Baby, as a man, you have to explore and find a survival. Manje
You explore while I don't know.
Khethe phone Dlaweni.
Ufuna ukubonani?
So you're not a photographer wena?
So manje sengisihlazo phambi kwalabantu labo.
Uzenzile.
Bendithi ndiyakuthethelela.
Uzokhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani la. Uzokhuluma.
Ungayenzi into esithandwa sami. Yazi sokhuluma ngayo endlini. Sokhuluma ngayo endlini.
Do you want to call the girl, ne? We're calling her.
I do.
Khole.
Lerato. Oh my God. Hi, can I speak to Lerato?
Hello. Sorry sisi ubani? Umazelaphi ukeketho? Umazelaphi ukeketho?
Keketho umuntu wami.
Uyezwa? Or ufuna ngikuzwise nami?
Lerato mna. Hey. Ngisukhuluma amanga wena. Ngisukhuluma amanga man.
Yena Keketho uyangifihlela sithola 2 years mina nawe.
Bana. Ah,
Shuthi
baby.
silima yimi.
Side chick here.
Yimi side chick la.
Baby, scam lesi.
Scam.
Mna wena hayi.
Wow.
Who is scam?
My baby, that's a scam this one man. Scam into man.
Scam in.
Scam into
Angiru
baby.
phikile naku yena uyavuma uthi.
And you've been dating for years.
No, baby. Before you met me, ngispana kanthotsi baby. I was used to be a photograph. Ngispanaleni.
Hey,
Umpuditse
Lord.
na. Umpuditse or umpuditse gore wena wetsa
They
ntoni?
must ukuthi.
What do you mean?
I must know everything about you. You are my boyfriend.
Exactly.
Or wena.
Let's try to open your phone. We'll go through yours. So you stand by Amanyala. That's this.
by Manyala, my sister.
What do you do?
As I said, for the photographer. Photograph.
Photograph.
What's this, Lavin? Oh, okay.
Photographing.
Go to her WhatsApp. Are you not gonna apologize for cheating?
I didn't cheat.
Pride.
No pride, no.
Uzosibona.
I didn't cheat. You don't have evidence.
Uzosibona.
Oh, excuse me.
You don't have evidence. How na
What do you call it? Or ubata gore
My sister, give me WhatsApp. My sister, give me WhatsApp.
Okay.
Give me WhatsApp. Give me WhatsApp. You don't care.
Sorry,
yazi wena ne awubaza abantu. Awubaza abantu.
type
Abantu
love you.
awubazi. And uzoyithola into efuna.
And uzomlahla after this.
Anginasikhathi mina se rubbish. Toilet.
Hey, bana.
Anginasikhathi se toilet.
What are you saying after I love you?
Me.
unanesibindi sokuthi
Ngibonani my sister.
Okay.
uzozidifenda ngento ene-proof.
The
Iyarasa,
proof.
man.
Delete.
Iyarasa.
Type, Khumbula.
This is why.
Right. Best friend yakhe.
Okay. Delete that. Type babe. Oh.
So lemintsonto leyini lona. Ubani kaKlego noTebogo.
Go into the chat. Go into Tebogo.
Fuck namanutsi like yini le ka. Ses.
Mina nawe siyafana.
Yazini. Tonka weekend. Onka weekend. Le phone ngethatha ifone yami ngikwenze lonke into wena. Ngikwenze lonke into wena. Ne just le will let just msungibamba wena. Yebo msungibamba yini la nami wena. Masithi yazini ndimoshele into le yethu, lento lencane le yethu mina.
Seyimoshekile. Ubocanga ukuthi uzenza islim wenze
But you cheated on Tunja na. Keketo.
Ngibeke. Uwenza abantu islima.
Let's weekend.
Where's the phone? Where's the? This is the phone. Eh?
Ucanga ukuthi mina ngizomenza.
Wena ucanga usizokuncenga
Ufana ugqoka amabhaji.
Please open your phone.
Akusuyitype.
Please open your phone, Scott.
Msungibamba phethe. Msungibamba.
Ngizokubaphisa.
Sinyana bana ngizokubamba ngithola ukuthi ngizokubamba wenze mina islima sakho ne islima sakho wena
Rato wakho.
let's weekend yabona
Ufuna weekend?
Nami ngicela ibond. Nami ngicela ibond.
Ngamisile.
ini bonda
Nami ngicela ibond yami. Ngiyofuna leyo yakho nginika ibond yami.
Bond.
ipiponto wena
What's that?
yonke into yami yonke into esho mina nje ngiyayifuna into yami ngiyayifuna
Uzothola kwaHen. Now.
ngizobonisa ukuthi yini hand leso ngizobonisa ukuthi yini hand leso wena uphuma emva kwami uphume le phephisi yami awuphume wena nifuna indaba zethu nifuna yini nifuna indaba zethu nifunani
Oh, Kelly, I think you should leave my Scott. You don't need transport.
Ngeke mina nawe omunye uyale.
But you also cheated, Keketo. Exactly.
chitene kuphela
Bipolar. Bipolar.
yemna hello
Bipolar. Angifuni.
woza lana
Angisakufuni.
Angishanjalo nje.
Ufayile out ukuthi ngiyathola ngithi.
uthela sekusofa sihlahla sakho musa usengisofa sihlahla
Sofa
manje wenza yini le uyenzayo ubani ukaTlaw lesiphuna mfusi lethe wonke into usho mina lethe
Uyanya.
yabona masitshela
Baba Dlabini.
into zakenze ngiyikhoshela umshado ngisiboshela ifuture man
Umthato.
ngisiboshela umshado
Umthato. Keketo, please leave. Please leave. Please leave. You are akawambe man bhuti man.
live kanjani
But you also cheated, bruh.
man
You also cheated. Asoze. Dlamini, please come. Keketo, please leave us. It's okay. You both cheated.
siza njengoba wena umoshile
But you both cheated.
ngikuthanda wena
I'm sorry, I can't.
kanti kanjani umosha into yethu
I've got a man, I'm sorry.
you have a man ubani wenza lento le wena umen wakho ubani uyenza
Nobody.
nobody so wena just it's fine you just enjoy
Yeah, I do.
you know what
Keketo, go
that's a
home.
point because this bastard is standing me in the way
Otherwise, who's on bed?
ngizokushaya phela mina ngensizwa mina ngizokushaya mina
Unsize bethe abafazi. Yeah?
bayenzani bona abafazi
Benzani lona?
bayenzani ntona abafazi bayenzani
Abacheat benzani lo?
lento nomanyala lento le
I'm sorry.
yazini usise lo muntu lo
Okay.
bengizokubhonya
Okay. Okay.
senginyanyisile
Okay, sorry. It's okay. Bye. Keketo, leave.
ngibone futhi
Woo!
ngibone futhi
Ooh, anger issues. Ooh, Chaya. He is so angry. Shams.
You know the thing about ukuhlangana nabantu estradini, it gives them advantage ukuthi noma engakuthi you can't do anything.
Yeah.
Yabo, you can't. So
Awufuna uziphindisela.
you can't.
Yeah.
Even if you wanted to.
Because at the end sibaqalile, yes, that's what I was going to say.
Sibasukele.
I know.
Nami ngiyamfila mayethi nawe ngiyasho ukuthi kodwa uyezwa naye ukuthi mayishala.
Yeah, cookie chest.
Yeah.
Dladini, shall we close?
Phela lo fana ulingana nophinda ngomzimba.
What beef do you have with Pinda?
I don't have beef with Pinda. Pinda is my brother.
Yeah.
We understand
But
ourselves.
he's tiny.
Very.
I think Pinda's bigger than the guy.
No,
He is.
no.
Pinda, not bigger.
Bayalingana.
He's a bit bigger.
Pinda say the truth and shame the devil. Bayalingana.
Doesn't gonna Pinda. Oh.
Bayalingana. So
Shame.
yeah.
Okay, fine.
How are you? It's been a long time.
I'm good.
Sakwazi.
I know, Dlamini, I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
There are some idiots here, 2 idiots, 2 comments saying I'm bleaching. Imagine.
But
I'm bleaching my skin.
no, they want you to talk.
They wanted me to
They
talk.
want you to say
They
something.
want me to say something.
When you are quiet, they are not
Two
happy.
comments. And when I'm quiet and not swearing at them, they're not happy.
They want you to be swearing at them.
Yes.
If you are quiet, there's something they will say.
Yes.
For you to say something bad.
Yeah.
Bleaching, when you and bleaching, that's
Yes.
two different things.
I think that would be greedy. That's greed.
How already unje so bleach.
Yeah.
Abanye abantwana benzini.
Guys, honestly, please, you can start any other rumor.
Not bleaching.
It's none.
Yeah, ngoba lo muntu
And I don't even have the energy.
ulisa yellow pen natural.
I-
Yonke indawo umhlophe.
I don't
Yonke
know what to
indawo.
say, Dlamini.
Ngithi yonke indawo umhlophe. Everywhere. If aningikholwa, I can prove it to you. I can show you ukuthi ulisa umhlophe yonke indawo.
How are you gonna prove it?
Eh?
How are you gonna prove it?
Ngiyababonisa ngithi.
Bono's happy? No.
Bona. uMaria lo. Akekho umhlophe lo muntu la. Phinda.
But Dlamini.
Umhlophe. Mangayihlisa lento le. Mhlophe.
What am I gonna do with you?
Nothing. Listen, mfethu, okay, let's jokes aside, ne? Jokes aside. There's something that this guy said, ne? And it's something that I've been saying to you. I've been asking you. Kanti, you heard what he said?
What did he say?
Athi,
He said a lot of things.
ithe nginikeza uthando.
Okay.
Give me love. That's what he said. So what is your plan kahle kahle ngami?
Dlamini, I've got no
No,
plans.
I want to know. Seriously, I want to know. What is your plan ngami?
I've got no plans.
So what are you saying ngami?
You here, we work together.
So
You're my co-worker.
Yonke lento engiyikhulumayo kuwena engishoyo kuwena, telling you how I feel about you, telling you what when I see you, there are things that are moving. You don't understand all that.
And now, Mos, you don't understand my perspective.
What is your perspective, Anton?
Mali.
Yabona, that's it. Yabona, listen.
No, but
I wish
okay,
you would
jokes
have-
aside. Ne?
Okay.
Jokes aside.
Yeah.
Jokes aside. You have your perspective, I have my perspective. Ne? I'm very unapologetic about wanting to be taken care of. Okay.
Okay.
Why can't you understand that also? Why must I understand you?
It's not like I
But,
don't understand.
then
What I'm
what-
saying to you is, imali will come eventually.
Eventually.
Let us get into a relationship mina now. Along the way, imali zoza. I will take care of you. You will bleach however you want. It's not a problem.
Oh, I can't deal.
Basami. Serious man, lento ayingiphathi kahle mfethu. Ayingiphathi kahle serious.
You'll be fine, Lams.
It's almost been a year ngikhuluma into eyi-1 now. Yabo.
You're going to bleed an entire year.
Sagcina le emakhaya uplita intombazana unyaka wonke.
Also, I'm not worth it.
I'm not saying you're not worth it,
Uplita unyaka wonke.
but nje kumele kube namasani ukuthi lento engiyifunayo uyayifuna nawe. But when awenza akunamasani akuna-next. It's like I'm pouring water on a duck's a bag.
So essentially, my man can go to hell.
Uba ufike kuqala yena mina nami. I was there before him.
No, he was there before you.
No, he was there before me. He went away.
Uh-huh.
That was over between you guys.
Uh-huh.
Then I came.
Yeah.
Then he came back again.
Uh-huh.
Uyabona ukuthi ungenza
So,
isilima
ngubani
kahle kahle. You're supposed to
number
take me,
one?
not mina. You're supposed to take me, not yena. Yena bekumele kube uyena oplitayo futhi. Mina I've pleated enough, so kwanele. It's wrong.
I'm sorry, Dlamini. I'll
It's
think
wrong.
about it.
It's wrong.
I'll
For
think
the
about
fact
it.
ukuthi angisakhuluma ngalo 300 onkolota doesn't mean ukuthi ngakhohlwa. Angikhohlwa.
You don't need the 300 rand and you're not getting it back. I paid for that 300 rand.
How did you pay for the 300 rand? How
Yes,
did you
Kat,
pay?
you kissed my cheek.
Kusho ukuthini ukuqabula la ehlathini?
300. That's 300 rand.
Uyangibhulisha.
Don't you? I have a very cute cheek. It's 300 rand.
Oh, very cute cheek.
Yes, I do. I've got cute
So
cheeks.
it's worth 300.
Yes. Someone actually commented on Facebook yesterday, but Lisa, to give Dlamini is 300 rand. You
Amen.
cute.
Thank you, whoever
But
you are, thank
kissing your cheek is not 300 rand.
Ngiyabonga. Whoever you are, thank you. You're on my side.
Guys, let's close.
Asam.
We will.
Yeah.
All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _. Follow me on Facebook as well, Lisa Serame. You'll find me.
Instagram it's welcome_Dlamini or itababili. TikTok it's welcome Dlamini. On Facebook it's welcome Dlamini. Danko. Siyabonga.
Thank you.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.